This is to my fan base, which only just a handful. I love my support, but the cup's not half full. I've looked up to you guys since I was little tight, tucking me in, feeding me, even through our fights. You tell me what's good, and you're also my critics. You've shown me the way, and that the sky is no limit. I praise the Lord for how lucky I become, but if I had a chance, here's the lap that I'd rerun. I'd tell them I love them, I love my mom and dad. I beg and plead for memories, I just want them back. I would tell them all my stories and where my life has gone, down the right path, even show them my first song. It sucks you guys are gone, but life is a surprise. You certainly miss a lot through the blink of one's eyes. So here's my apologies for the wrong I've committed. I love you both so dearly, here's the message I admitted. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you guys share this. That would be so great. Peace out. Love you, Mom and Dad. You guys are the best.